Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a fresh ginger tea recipe, great for acid reflux, nausea, and heartburn. This simple ginger tea is a natural way to ease acid reflux, nausea, and heartburn. It's even safe to use during pregnancy and can help with morning sickness. What you'll need for this recipe is 1 cup of water, 1 piece of fresh ginger about 2 inches long, and some raw honey or stevia, which is optional for sweetness. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Boil the water. Heat the water in a kettle or pot until it boils. Step 2. Prepare the ginger. While the water is heating, peel the ginger and slice it into very thin pieces. Put the slices into a mug or teapot. Step 3. Steep the tea. Pour the boiling water over the ginger. Cover the mug or teapot and let it sit until the tea cools down enough to drink. If you want, you can add a little honey or stevia to sweeten it. Step 4. How to use. You can drink up to 3 cups of this tea a day. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, show you the way to live life better day by day.